Yo, guys, it's your boy Pira. Man, it's another one, guys. It's been a minute since the last one, guys. Couldn't have had it any better. Couldn't have had it any other way, guys. It's Forex Villa Pro. And we're back with another trading cyborg, guys, or a robot, whatever we call it. But this time, it's a banger, guys. Way advanced, way improved. Guys, this one is way more optimized than anything we've ever done. Yes, I'm talking about the beginner Pip Collector EA, guys. The best EA we have in the system right now on the market, the hottest. And if you're a beginner, this is for you, as the name says, guys. It's the beginner Pip Collector EA, one of the two latest releases by Forex Villa Pro. Of course, the other one is Ultimate Pip Collector EA, but we're here to talk about the beginner Pip Collector EA because I just want you guys to start trading on the web go. So without wasting any of your time, guys, you already know it's your boy Peter. Guys, this is the home of Man of War for making money off the charts, guys. So without saying much, if you're new to this YouTube channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell so that each and every time when we share content as good one, you'll be the first ones to know. Guys, without wasting any of your time, let's just get right into it, guys. So here we are. This is how it looks. Guys, I've never done any system better than this one ever. So just to show you on the chart right here, this is MetaTrader 5 who have the beginner Pip Collector for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, guys. This is the systems. Guys, if you're looking to make money, let's go. So there's obviously a guide, guys, that I've already prepared in advance. So let's just go to the guide, discuss the guide first, and let's see where I can bring you to the understanding of the system features and what the system can do, guys. So obviously the strategy is a simple yet effective trading strategy that uses a combination of technical indicators, and I'm talking about your parabolic SAR. Parabolic stars just simply stand for stop and reverse. The parabolic indicator, it is used to determine when to enter and exit trades in the forex market, guys. It is designed for beginners, traders who are looking for a straightforward trading strategy with over 90% accuracy, and I'm just gonna back that 90% in a minute. Just give me some few minutes, maybe in the next video or this video. We'll see if time allows us, guys. So the strategy can be simply implemented on the popular MetaTrader platform. As I've said, guys, this is for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and it doesn't get better than that, guys. There are advantages of the Pip Collector beginner, guys, and then it includes the easy to use. Its parameters, they're very easily customizable, and I'm talking about your trade size, the number of positions you want, the parameters in which the parabolic SAR indicator can use to open trades, as well as the moving averages. You'll see as we go on when we're talking about the system features, guys. So other than that, I said it's simple yet effective. The strategy used by the Pip Collector EA is based on a simple combination of technical indicators and price action patterns. And yes, when we're talking about price action, guys, we're talking about consistent, interaction of the constant interaction with the market price, understand? So you definitely need internet at all times, you understand? So this is price action, guess games, you understand? So it needs to be connected each and every time so that it can interpret what the price is telling it right now. So this is to make it easy for beginners to understand and use. So if ever your first time into trading, guys, this is your system. This is what you need right now at the moment. The system that's easy to use, system that's easy to operate. I'm going to open some of the features that we're going to be talking about on this guide, and you will see for yourself that how easy it is for the system to use. So the customizable parameters, the EA allows for customization of various parameters such as the trade size, stop loss, take profits, and trading hours to suit individual traders. But this one, when it comes to the trading hours, it's already built in. That one, I've locked it. I've locked that feature only for the ultimate, guys. So you understand, to modify this one so that it's way easier for beginners. It's way easier for them to make money off the charts. You understand? So this is low risk, guys. The EA has a built-in stop loss feature that helps to limit potential losses, making it suitable for beginners, who are still learning the ropes. So what I mean by that, by the built-in stop loss, is that in the chart, it will place and stop loss and the take profits targets, but it won't show on the chart just because it understands when volatility is picking up, whether if it wants to hold trades for the longest time or the shortest period of time. So guys, just relax when you don't see the stop loss and you take profit, but it will definitely open and close this position on its own. As I'm going to show you right here how the system works. And I said, so it works on multiple time frame, but the recommended time frame is 1 to 15 minute time frame. So if you're a beginner, I'm going to explain this one, and this allows traders to choose the time frame that suits their trading style. So if you're a beginner, you can stick to 1 minute to 15 minute time frame, cause those beginners, guys, they have the thing with patience. So we've optimized it to be more accurate on those levels, but it's way more accurate on the higher time frame. But there, it will taste your patience, because like when we're talking about a 30-minute time frame or an hour time frame, 2 candles on a 30-minute time frame already means an hour. And most of the beginners, what we'll find out is that they are not patient enough. So guys, we just want to bring it into your ears right now. You can use the system on any time frame you want. For a quick back, yes, we would definitely recommend anything from 15 minutes to lower time frame, because like there you can interact many candles, as well as the fast interpretation of data by the system, thus giving you high frequency trading, high number of open trades and close trades. As the name says, Pip Collector, you collect more pips and as well as profit. So stick to me, stick to the end, and watch it till the end. So it works on multiple time frame. We already established that, and the profitability of the systems, when properly optimized and used with good risk management, the Pip Collector EA beginner has the potential to generate consistent profits over time. So I don't think that needs any interpretation, but I'm going to go ahead and state a few things. What I mean by profitable or optimization of the system is, you understand, sometimes you see me doing high frequency trading using huge volume size, high risk, whatever you call it. So in order to understand the system, each and every time it opens a position, it goes with momentum, it goes with the trend, it goes to the direction of the trend. So the first few candlesticks, let's say you're trading on a 15-minute time frame, the first few candlesticks, 1 or 2, that will be like your 30-minute premium after the trades have been open. Those positions will be in profits, understand? So once you've established that, you can definitely maximize your profits. Don't wait for the system to close profits or take profit itself, unless if you are busy, you can let the system run there. So you can actually make a lot of money within that 30-minute period, understand, by using a huge lot size, huge number of position, or even risking 50% of your account size. That's what I do. What I understand is, as an experienced trader though, is that there's no risk, no reward. You understand? Like if you don't risk more, you won't make more. You understand? Like in simple context, what I'm simply saying is you would never make money with lot size 0.01. You understand? Like if you're a beginner, you get that over time as time goes on. But there is no one in the Forex market that's making money with lot size 0.01. That's a fact. You can go check all the people that you follow. Go check some of my videos. You will realize that this person, what he's actually saying is, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. And that's just one fact, one principle of life. So moving on, guys, let's go to system features. Let's talk about system features, guys. I've established the trade size. Trade size is simply your lot size. The volume of each and every trade that you want the system to take, that you have the control for on the beginner Pip Collector. And multiple position, you can choose the number of positions you want the system to take. And the MA close is that feature that should represent your stop loss, but it's a virtually built-in stop loss. So your broker won't see it, you won't see it yourself. It's only and only if the price, since this is a price action trading robot, only if the price reaches that certain level, the system will know whether if now it's time to close or not. And your MA open, again, this is another feature that helps the system to know when to open trade, as well the PSAR close. This is the parabolic SAR function. Remember, I told you earlier on that the system uses the parabolic stop and reverse indicator in order to open trades, and this is in a combination with the moving average. So I'm talking about 2 indicators on the system. It's as simple as it gets. If you can combine the parabolic SAR and the moving average, you already know what it is, guys. You can go Google this strategy. The strategy is very basic, very common. I've only made it advanced by allowing traders to choose their multiple positions and their trade sizes, because this is a trend following trading strategy based on price action. And of course, your parabolic SAR close parts in that you can actually edit yourself. So guys, in simple terms, the Pip Collector Beginner is a solid trading robot that can be used by beginner traders and experienced traders, you understand, to automate their trading and potentially generate profits in the Forex markets. However, it is important to note that, like all trading strategies, the EA is not foolproof and requires proper optimization and risk management to be effective. Yes, guys, I stress that although the system can be as profitable as it can be, you can suffer losses here and there, that doesn't mean the system is not working. It's part of trading, guys. If ever there was a holy grail on trading, we'll all be multi-millionaires by now. But this is a system, 90% of the time it will work for you. Here and then you will go through hiccups just like everybody else. I go through them. I go through a couple of losses myself, and I come out strong each and every time. You'll see as we're testing the system how the system works. So let's talk about the adjustable trade size. So just to be on the safe side, just like we just said right now, no, the system, can suffer a few losses. And then if you don't have too much money to lose, just say like you're willing to risk your 100 USD, what this can actually mean is you can actually use, what we call a trading calculator to calculate how much you want to risk on each and every position. As you've seen that we have a feature that enables traders to select what number of positions to use and what type of what do you call a trading volume or trade size you want to use. So you can actually go between 1% and 10%. For example, if you had 1,000 USD, you actually have $10 in each and every position. That would actually made it possible for traders to actually do that. So with the ability to adjust trade size, traders can take advantage of a wide range of trading opportunities, regardless of the size of their trading account. This can help them grow their trading profits over time. You understand? Like this can help you perform your risk management in a way broader way than most trading systems that I know. So I've made that possible for you, just like I was saying earlier on. Like within the first 30 minutes, you can actually go on high risk and optimize your profits because during certain sessions like the European session, the system doesn't miss. The system never misses. The system doesn't miss, guys. European session, check most of my videos, guys. I make them during the European session and towards the middle of the New York session. That's where the market is mostly active, guys. So going forward, trade size, when I talk about the trade size, I've already touched risk management, improve profitabilities, and you can diversify your portfolio, guys. If ever like you want to get into hedge funds or you want to manage different types of accounts or you want to do whatever you can to make money. You understand? You can actually diversify your portfolio by just using flexible trade sizes, allowing traders to allocate their capital across multiple trades. You understand? Like multiple trades can be, trading Great Britain USD, trading Euro USD at the same time. You understand? Like simultaneously, or trading mostly all, if possible, all markets out there, whether if like you have a big account, $1 million in your account, you can actually do that, block the system, tell it, do this, do that, do this, each and every market. And it's really, really scalable, guys. With a flexible trade size, traders can easily scale their position up or down as their trading accounts grows, shrinks. So what does that mean? It means like whenever you're profitable, whatever in profits, you can close such a number of trades and leave other number of trades, or if ever like that trades that you're not sure about, you think that they're going to go to losses, you can close those ones. So that's what I simply mean. So this is the several advantages of a trade size, guys. I'm talking about the risk management, the profitability, portfolio diversification, and scalability. So moving to the next system feature, guys, the multiple positions. We've already tied some of these ones, and also there are some few advantages to using multiple positions into trading. Because remember, guys, this is a beginner Pip Collector EA. It's a system designed for beginners, and I've designed this for beginners in a way that I would have liked it to happen for me in the beginning. When I was starting out. You understand? So what do I mean by this is, you understand, like multiple position, guys. It's not just to see a whole numbers of blue in your screen. You can use that into your benefit. So the Pip Collector EA beginner system allows for opening of a flexible number of positions, which can range from one to a number of selected by the user. There are several advantages using multiple positions in a trading system like the Pip Collector EA. And once again, you combine the multiple position with the trade size, you get increased profit potential, risk management, again, in diversification and flexibility. There, before we're talking about scalability, and number 5, the opportunity of scaling as well. And now flexibility, I'm talking about by allowing adjustable number of positions, you have the flexibility to adapt to changing market condition and adjust your strategy accordingly. You understand? So I think that's as clear as it gets. You understand? Like using the multiple positions, just like I was saying in the morning, during the European session, the system doesn't miss. You understand? So 90% of the time, it doesn't miss. So if you're using a high number of multiple position, high lot sizes, combine that, you get increased profit potential. And diversification, you can trade gold, you can trade Euro USD, Great Britain USD around the European sessions, and you get what? diversification. So opportunity for scaling as well, you understand, it goes as well hand in hand with diversification, because as your account grows, you can increase the number of positions you open, potentially increasing your profits even more. You understand? So going forward, guys, uh, this system has what we call system filters, and I'm not talking about your news filter this time, because I know a lot of EAs tell you about news filters, and yes, it does have a news filter, but this time I'm talking about when to trade. Because since you're a beginner, you're thinking each and every time is a good time to trade. Well, I want to tell you, they are well, that is true, but there are some times where profits are just, like the market is just so profitable. I'm talking about during certain sessions, guys. So I've put in day filters so to know which day is good for trading and which day is not good for trading. So by doing so, I'm making it possible for you to increase your profit potential. So the day filter and time filter are used in trading strategies to control when trades are open and when they are not. And the day filter is a function that specifies which day of the week trading is allowed. For example, if the day filter is set to trade Monday, Friday, then the trading system will only open trades, will set the day filter to Monday to Friday, and then trading strategy will only open trades on these days, and no trades will be open on weekend. I think there I made a little bit of mistake. What I'm trying to say is the system will only open trades according to the days that the system has been made to trade. Like for the beginner Pip Collector, it only trades on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it will only trades during those time, and also on Monday it will start trading by 12:30 in the morning if you have it blocked non-stop. So it only trades from Monday from 12:30 until quarter to 12 midnight or AMs, or however you understand it. So as well as on Wednesday, it will trade by 12:30 a.m. to quarter to 12 a.m. again. So it does trade throughout the day on Monday, throughout the day on Wednesday, and throughout the day on Friday as well. But Tuesday and Thursday, it doesn't trade, because most of the Tuesdays and most of the Wednesday, it's either this low market activity, or there is fundamentals. And fundamentals, they are very highly lucrative. But just to be on the safe side, I've decided to put the system to trade according to that. And if there's no fundamentals, you're not gonna profit much on those days. And what I've realized is there are more losses on Tuesday and Thursday than there are on Monday and Wednesday and Friday, even if there are no news releases. So, guys, with that being said, let's move on in the general guidelines when it comes to optimizations. Like, this is just to encourage traders or beginners, guys, to optimize and know what kind of a market you're trading in. You understand? So general guidelines that users can follow to optimize the Pip Collector beginner system. So I'm talking about market conditions. The system works best in trending markets. Just I've said this is a trend following system based on price action. It is important to avoid trading during periods of low volatility or choppy price action. Just like I've said again, guys, like, yeah, we're looking for market activity. You understand? This system will open trade if the activity is high, volatility is high. That's what I mean. And backtesting the system to understand the trading strategy, guys, you buy the own it. Don't just operate, don't just expect to make profits. Please, I beg you, do go ahead and backtest. We'll do some of couple of backtesting on the next videos, but you are all to understand what backtesting is. It's for you to understand how the system works so that you can grow more confidence in. You understand? So the regular monitoring, if ever like you're trading in high market volatility, you understand, like your news releases, because this one doesn't have such filters, such that like those filters that the ultimate Pip Collector has. You understand, like it's only day filters filtering when to trade, when there's less news. You understand, and the filter that we've used on this system is just to limit like trading on low volatility, just like we're saying, we're against trading when there's no market condition, as well as like when there's those choppy price actions. You understand, NFP, CPI, you understand, it gets tough, but lately it's been like quite profitable. But what I'm saying, monitor the system, you understand? So the system should be monitored regularly to ensure that it is performing as expected. Any necessary adjustment should be made promptly to ensure optimal performances. Like, yeah, again, I come back to your, increasing or decreasing your trade size, increasing or decreasing the number of positions the system should open, just to optimize profitability at the end of the day. Risk management, it is important to use proper risk management techniques to protect the account balance. So what I'm talking about risk management for beginners is use the lowest lot size possible. Once you start to get the heck of it, then you can hit me up and we talk about it, what to increase, what to do, as well as what you should do. So guys, that was me discussing the Pip Collector beginner guide, guys, because I want you guys to understand this. This is a trading system, highly profitable, but at the end of the day, you should know how to use it. You understand? This is a plug and play, yes, but you also ought to play your part. You can just plug it like that, just like anyone can trade Forex, guys. Anyone can trade Forex, but only if you are profitable in Forex. Just like the system, if you plug the system wrong, like for instance, some people they go trade on the ref, but they don't know that there are minimum, trade sizes to apply, and you can't just open 100 position there. Like if ever like you put the number of position there, what is expected of the system? Because of course there are some who goes into trading without knowing what trading is. You understand? So this is I'm doing for it for you guys. If you put the number of positions, trade size, you change your MA close, your MA open, your P SAR close, your P SAR open, what it should mean. So watch the next video to get to know what those things mean on the Pip Collector beginner, guys, or the beginner Pip Collector EA. I like to call it the beginner Pip Collector EA. But as you can see, we can play around the name. The fact is, this system is for beginners. So guys, without wasting any of your time, I really appreciate your love. If you're new to this YouTube channel, guys, definitely do hit the like button and subscribe, and let engage under the comment section, guys. It's your boy Peter. Before making any purchases, guys, make sure you familiarize yourself with who we are, our website, our services, and as well as some of YouTube videos like this. Without wasting any of your time, let me sign out.